Are you guys sick of watching morning routines that go like this? Because I am. So I'm going to show you my morning routine, which is completely opposite to this, featuring my new baby chameleon, Carl. My morning starts at 5 a.m. Yes, you heard it right. 5 mother effing a.m. in the morning, and I am the laziest piece of poop because I just literally sit on my phone, scroll through Instagram, watch cute little animal videos. I'm sure 99% of my problems would go away if I actually just got up at 5 a.m. and did something. When I finally do decide to get up, which is around like 6:37, I normally go and take a shower. I don't always wash my hair, but I always try to take a shower in the morning. Oh, here I am. I know it probably looks like I haven't taken off my makeup. I swear I did, but for some reason I can never take off my eye makeup fully, so I gotta take it off in the morning. So usually I do this in the shower, but just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do it before. I use the Clean It Zero cleansing balm, which is a Korean brand, and I just disintegrate all my makeup. Got milk. I then go into the shower. As I do, I take off my slippers, take off my PJs, and then once I go out of the shower, I go and wake up Carl. He still has his eyes closed. Morning, Carl.
I hate you. I wanted to sleep in.
So the first thing I do is I turn on his UVB lights and his basking lights, and then I do the same with Waffles. Do you guys notice the cardboard and the tape on the sides of the door? He keeps getting out, so I had to do that. But he's actually sleeping. He sleeps during the day, so we won't see him during this video. So because Francesco has to leave pretty shortly, I usually just start making breakfast right away. I love to make sausages with eggs, spinach, and feta cheese, and it is so good. And since I'm the designated cook because I'm just so amazing at it, I'm making Francesco's lunch. Just joking, I wish. I usually burn most of my food. I'm not really a good cook. Oh, I'm so sad. I also make my coffee, which is obvious because I'm addicted to coffee. While I make breakfast, I normally watch TV, so I usually watch Steve Irwin. Whoa. I then drink a big glass of water before I eat my breakfast because when you drink a big glass of water, it kickstarts your metabolism. Look at me thinking I'm so cool. Oh, you're so cool. That's right, walk away thinking you're so cool. So before I eat my breakfast, I like to take care of Carl. He looks super cute, but he is high maintenance. So the first thing I do is I fill up the spray bottle and the big dripper and with lukewarm water. So the reason for this is because chameleons don't drink from a water bowl, they drink from the leaves in the trees. So you need to mimic like the rainforest, the water, and you also have to spray them twice a day to keep the humidity up. And then I have to add this thing called Reptisafe, which gets rid of all of the bad junk in your water like chlorine, ammonia, and I don't know what else, but it does something. So then it literally takes me so long to put this thing. It takes me a while, but when I do it, he absolutely loves it. And then I start misting his cage. We have live plants in there, so I just water them and make them all moist. I know a lot of y'all don't like that word. Moist. My favorite song to play while I'm doing it is this song, and I don't know why, but it makes me laugh so much. I then will check the temperatures, make sure everything is all good. Then check the ambient temperature, which is a little bit low because I just sprayed it with water, so it'll go higher later on during the day. But yeah, that's pretty much the beginning just for Carl's water. Girl, there's more to do later, which I'll show you. But yeah, look at him, he wants to drink. I then also spray Waffles once a week because ball pythons need to have humidity as well, but you don't have to do it as often as the chameleon. And I also change his water and make sure that carbon's stuck in there. Here comes the grossest part of owning a chameleon, giving them bugs. Blech. So I have to actually dust them with calcium because in the wild, chameleons eat things that have a lot of calcium in it. And if you don't mimic that in captivity, it's common for them to get metabolic bone disease, which is not cute. Here he is with his hearts. I'm just gonna put hearts over it so it's cute.
What the hell are you looking at?
Oh my god.
I am going to punch you out.
Carl!
I said what I said.
You're fine, I won't film you while you eat your food. Oh, and if you thought it stopped there, girl, it's even worse. I also gotta feed the locusts. So I'm feeding them kale today, and I have to dust this insect gut load vitamins over top once a week to make sure that the locusts are super nutritious for him. So yep, that's really gross. And then now we're done. Oh, hi Carl.
Get away from me.
Then before I eat, I put on the laundry normally, and then I will tidy up super quick, and then I will finally eat my breakfast. Oh my god, it's cold now. I usually just drink my coffee, read your comments on my last video, you know, that stuff. Then afterwards, I'll just tidy up a bit because I'm about to film a video after this. So I'm just tidying up my room, making it look like I have my life together, but really I'm using pizza boxes as a tripod today. Yep. Before I begin my skincare routine, I like to cleanse my soul with perfume. Ah! It got in my eye! You will then start coughing immensely, but don't worry, that's just you getting rid of all of the demons inside of you. And then I'll start my skincare routine. My Reese's lip balm. And then I'll just do my makeup for the day. Oh no. Oh, it broke. But don't worry, I realized in 2 seconds it's magnetic, so we're fine. Yeah. And then if he wants to come out, I'll play with Carl a little bit. Sometimes he doesn't want to come out. I never force him to. I just put my hand in, and if he comes, he comes. If he doesn't, he doesn't. But today, he wanted to. I just love him so much. He's just so beautiful. He's so sweet. And now here's me forcing Carl to say goodbye and subscribe. Say bye.